Hello everyone, I'm Tabitha, the owner of Elegant Living, and come on here and tell me hello. We're doing a Tuesday Talks with Tabitha, finally on Tuesday. So come on here, tell me where you're coming from and what you're doing on this beautiful Tuesday. Okay, we have a few things that we want to announce before, I'm by myself today, want to announce before I start talking about all the things. 3 things that you absolutely have to clean out this fall. And these are items that honestly everybody forgets to clean out, and including myself. And today I was like, you know what? Today's the day. I'm going to clean these out. Okay, let me do this one thing because my dishwasher is going off and I don't know, on a jet or something. I don't know. Okay, so one of the things I wanted to remind you guys, if you haven't gotten the scent box, go get you a scent box. A lot of them have been sold. We are shipping some more out today. And I also want to tell you, there's only a couple left for this month. So if that's something you want, go back down and watch the live about the scent box. You guys are amazing. You guys have been sharing it and doing all the things. So thank you so much. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Tracy. Good morning, Bonnie, Diana. Okay. So one of the things that I want to say is also a big announcement. You guys like, share, and comment all of our posts. It's this Friday. $50 gift card to Hobby Lobby. It's this Friday. So you guys, there's like a couple of you guys are neck and neck for sharing and liking and all the things. So make sure you guys go do that because it's this Friday that we're going to announce the winner for the $50 gift card to Hobby Lobby. So make sure you keep share, liking, and comment. Thank you guys so much for participating. We're going to keep doing this every month. So every last Friday of every month, we're going to give away a $50 gift card for the person that likes and shares and comments, interacts with us the most. That's just our way of saying thank you guys so much. And yeah, so there we go. Okay. All right. So we're going to get started. Today, I want to talk about the 3 things, the 3 places in your home that everyone forgets to clean. We've been talking about, organization. We've been talking about organizing your linen closets. We've been talking about organizing like different areas in your home, like your garages. Make sure you're cleaning out your gutters, changing out your, your alarm systems and things like that, changing the batteries in those. And this has been so helpful and everybody is loving it. So we're going to talk about the 3 places that you guys really, really need to clean out. And I honestly have got to tell you, I really failed to do these too, but I've been doing it and it makes me feel so much better. So number 1, dishwasher. Anybody like me? I forget to wash the dishwasher. And I got to be completely honest. I probably should show you guys do a live cleaning out my dishwasher. One of the things I want to say is around the seal of the dishwasher, take a little toothbrush, a little bit of, whatever kind of cleaner you guys like. If you like Pine Sol, if you like bleach, if you're like me, I love bleach. I love all those kind of things. So I just take a toothbrush and clean around the seal of the dishwasher. It is so important to do that. Second thing on the dishwasher, there is a drain in the bottom of the dishwasher. Is somebody tell me if I'm not the only person that did not know this? I just discovered this a couple of years ago, and it's a drain, and you unhook the drain at the bottom of it and you clean and you can scrub it, and there's a filter in there, and the filter is what filters all the food and all the things back in there. And if it doesn't clean it very well, then it just filters down in there. However, if you take that out and clean it, trust me, you want to wear gloves. I did not do that the first time. I thought, ours is not bad at all. So if you even have a smell in there, they say that can actually be why, is because the drain in the dishwasher is not cleaned out. So go in there. Every single person has one. Go in there, look at the bottom of your dishwasher when it's all cleaned out and look for the drain. And trust me, wear gloves. Okay. I did not wear gloves, but you take that out and I go in there and I scrub it with all my bleach or whatever you guys want to use, your cleaners. And it's like a little filter, and then you put it back. And I'm not kidding you. Your dishwasher will work amazingly. It's just unbelievable how much better it works. And it also smells fresher. So doing those a couple things for your dishwasher, you'll be happy you did it this fall. Okay. Let me know too if you guys do that, if you clean your dishwasher. I'm curious. That's my question of the day is, do you ever clean your dishwasher out? Because I never did. I didn't even know that was such a thing. I have one down in our lower level and I have one upstairs. Life-changing if you clean your dishwasher. Second thing, Whirlpool tubs. If you have a whirlpool tub, if you have a soaker tub, any of these things, they need to be cleaned out, honestly, at least once a month. But when I'm talking about cleaning out the whirlpool tubs is literally getting in there with a scrub brush and getting into the jets, cleaning all that stuff. Actually, what I do, I'm going to tell you one thing I do as a tip. I fill up the whirlpool tub until the water hits over the jets. And then I take two, not one, I take two of the little pods that you put in your dishwasher. You put that in there and I put a little bit of bleach in there. And then I turn on the jets and I let it go to town. And I'm not kidding you. You're going to be amazed. Now, don't get too shocked because it's terrible. If you haven't done this, this is life changing for your whirlpool tubs, especially we'll be using them more in the fall and the winter. So this is a great time to go in there and get those whirlpool tubs cleaned out. Tell me also if you guys use what cleaners do you guys use on your whirlpool tubs? Because, I'm always up for a new challenge or a new place to be able to clean it. But that's what I use. I use the pods for the dishwasher. I use two of those and I put a little bleach in there and then I turn it on and it goes to town. And I'm not kidding you. It is amazing. And everything gets cleaned out. So once I get done with that, I soak down the things and voila. And I get a scrub brush and I go to town because I'm not kidding you. That is amazing if you have a whirlpool tub. Okay. The third thing, this is the final and third thing. It's life. I mean, I'm not kidding you. You will thank yourself that you do it, especially when the weather is good. Trash cans. Go get your trash cans all in your house, in the bathrooms, in the kitchens, wherever you have a trash can. We have a trash can in our bar area. I go and take the time. And what I do is I get them all outside by the hose and I put a little bit of cleaner, a little bit of, like a Pine Sol in there so they smell fresh, and I soak them in the heat, in the sun, basically. And then I douse them down and I spray them off with the hoses. And that is amazing, guys. I'm not kidding you. They are crystal clean. Now, if you're like me, in my trash can, in my kitchen, it's custom cabinets and it has the little bitty holder too for your trash can bags that rolls up. I take that one out too. Just clean it up and give it a good area and back behind it, sweep it and do all the things while you have your trash cans out soaking. It is amazing how much they smell so much better and it looks so much fresher. So let's recap. Okay. Let me know if you guys clean your trash cans daily, weekly, monthly. When do you do that? If you're like me, I forget until honestly summer's about up and then everybody has been using them. And I love, love, love to take my trash cans out and spray them down and get them all fresh and clean for fall. Okay. Especially while the weather's good because you can take them in there. I know a lot of people have told me they put them in their tubs, like their big, huge, whirlpool tubs, and they'll wash them in the winter, but I just really haven't. I just use it in the spring and the fall. I usually do those in the trash can or the outside and I let them bake in the sun. Okay. Let's recap. Dishwasher. Let me know if you have any good tips for the dishwasher because I'm telling you, that's life-changing. Whirlpool tubs. And then number 3, trash cans. Go clean out your trash cans while we have the good weather so you can let them bake in the sun and kind of basically just bleaches them after you get them all cleaned. So, okay, guys, let me know below if you guys like these tips, and we'll be coming back with some more. And Friday, we're going to be announcing the winner for the share, like, and comment. It's a $50 gift card to Hobby Lobby. So make sure you're sharing these and you're doing all the comments. And I appreciate you guys being here. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.